everyone, I have a couple of really exciting unboxings to do with you guys today that I have been desperately waiting to get into until I've had time off work to film. So the first box is from a partnership with the Clean Beauty Con, which I'm part of, with Hope and Beauty. It's the Chemo Companion Kit. These are all clean beauty products that are well suited to work well with people that are going through chemotherapy. Cancer is obviously very dear to me as I lost my dad a little over a decade too, but I thought it was really cool they were putting this together. I've got the cute reusable shopping tote, and I use these all the time, especially in Japan, because a lot of grocery stores either don't have grocery bags or you have to pay for them. I've got a cute little handwritten note here, which always means so much to me, but let's dive into the goodies. So I have a smug mask. I have one of these already, so I'll probably be saving this one for a giveaway, but I'm talking the best night's sleep. Like, if you have a hard time sleeping with light, this is amazing, and it doesn't press on your eyes because it's got like a 3D contour to it. I can't wait to try this on the airplane when I finally get to go back to the States. But when I was working nights, this thing was a lifesaver. Mine's pink, this one's black. Ooh, we've got all sorts of goodies in here. This is the Curel shampoo, shampoo and toothpaste. And there's another little goodie in here. I love these little reusable bags. I use them for so many things, my purse and stuff. Oh, it's a nail polish remover wipe that is Clean Beauty with soybean and lavender. It's some product information. I can't use regular toothpaste. They really bother me, so I'm excited to try this Clean Beauty one. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This is the Codex Beauty exfoliating wash. The coolest thing about Codex Beauty is their products are all science-based, but their packaging is actually made out of sugarcane instead of traditional plastics. So oh, this is reusable nail pads, nail polish remover pads for water-based polishes. I'm gonna have to get some water-based polishes, it looks like. I didn't know that was a thing. Another cute bag. Oh, I spoke too soon. It looks like, forgive me, my allergies are driving me nuts today. It is nail polishes. So this is another type of polish remover. Bamboo edging sticks, and then it looks like there is two colors, clear coat. This is a nail repair, then a clear coat, and then two super cute nudie colors. I don't do my nails a whole lot because of my job. Working as a mechanic, they just get trashed. So it's nice to have some polishes around when I want to go out and do nice. Cute little makeup bag from Sepa Skin. Ooh. These are the Stargirl Cosmetics and Lash Binder Fluffy Lashes. In which shape style are these? I'm sorry, I don't know which style these are, but they are super fluffy. Oh, it's a perfume spray. Oh, that smells good. Some individual lashes. And this is all-time one of my absolute favorite tools. This is a lash binder. Oops, sorry. I just used my lash binder to put on my lashes earlier, so this will definitely be getting saved for a giveaway. I love being able to pay it forward with stuff that either isn't going to work for me or that I already have. And that is it for that box. The next box was a surprise gift from Cassandra, the CEO and founder of Lashbinder, Clean Beauty Podcast, and Clean Beauty Con, and most recently, the Clean Beauty Kit, which mine is in the mail. I can't wait to get it. But I've been helping her with some work, and she wanted to send me a thank you, so she sent me some goodies. So, oh, this is such a cute little grocery bag. I have one very similar to this. It's not as cute, but I like to put the produce in this because it's like doesn't smash it because the bag can shape to it. What do we got here? Ooh, English cucumber from Lillian Lights. Oh. So it's like a cute terracotta stone concrete candle holder with a candle in it. And it has no like artificial fragrances or anything in it, which I love. It's inspired by morning dewdrops on water, lilies, mild sweetness of young cucumbers, fresh citrus in the summer heat. I can't wait to like that. I love a house to smell fresh and clean, but I don't like using a whole bunch of or anything really with synthetic fragrances in it. I found it to be a trigger of my migraines, so I avoid it. Ooh, mascara. I was telling her I needed a new mascara that will stand up to the heat and humidity and was clean. So she sent me this one. I can't wait to try it. I have the Miss MAC foundation, and I absolutely love that. It's actually what I'm wearing today underneath everything. Oh, she sent me goodies. What girl doesn't love chocolates? And cookies. Oh, I'm excited. Ooh, organic herbal tisane tea. Organ mint. Oh, that's cute because we're both from the Pacific Northwest, even though neither of us are living there right now. It's like she read my mind. My Mona Moons deodorant just ran out today. I swear by this stuff. I work anywhere between an 8 and a 12-hour day in a very labor-intensive job, and this stuff holds up so well. I don't want to open this. Oh, I will, because I'm going to use it. Normally I don't like to open stuff before I have finished the other one. But it's got the cute little guitar pick in it, and then that is the paste. You scrape it out with the pick, rub it in your armpits, and I actually have a partnership with Mona Moons that we just got off the ground, and you can use the code Miss Montoy for 10% off your first order. I don't back anything that I don't 100% believe in. I've been using exclusively Mona Moons for 2 or 3 months now, and it is hands down the best deodorant I've ever used, and it's natural on top of that. I'm curious on what this is. Oh, they're so cute. They're little... Hold on, let me pop it out so I can see better. I'm gonna have to get lighting for in here. They're little eye earrings that I can wear above my gauges, because I have half-inch holes and then regular ear posts above that. Cassandra, this was so cute. Oh, there's one more thing. She's so cute. Cassandra knew my dog was coming home this month. He's been in quarantine, so he comes home tomorrow actually, and she sent him a new collar, because this is all Astro Rocks as a choke chain. That was so sweet of you, Cassandra. Thank you so much for all these goodies. On to the next box. This one is the Cos box. Now, over the years, I've had probably almost every subscription box out there, but I canceled them all because they just weren't fitting the lifestyle I was trying to live. I want clean, sustainable products that have a good global impact. And the CauseBox is 100% behind that mission. So, I mean, like, down to the packaging, like, this is made from cornstarch and is 100% recyclable. Let's see what's inside it. Oh, this is cool. These are silicone food grade stretch lids. So instead of using like saran wrap and tin foil, you stretch it over the bowl and these will last a really long time. Cute postcard. I love that they actually put this quality magazine together, and like you can tell it's on recyclable paper that is probably recycled, but you can definitely recycle it, and it breaks down a little bit about each company that's in the box and the story behind the product that was chosen. So this is a bergamot and grapefruit reed diffuser. National Rattan Reeds, handmade in the US for constant fragrance. So there's no information in this particular one about the ingredients. Normally these are made with essential oils because they wake up the reeds really well, but I'm gonna have to check out the company's website and look to make sure before I speak that that is what it is. Restoration Healing Balm. Oh. So this is a very simple 2-3 ingredient product, super clean, but it's good for chapped lips, cuts and burns, sensitive dry skin, post-procedure skincare, beauty hacks, and baby ointment. I'm gonna have to try this out. Apply liberally on dry skin or damaged nails. Dry or damaged skin, lips, nails as a healing aid. It would really help if I learned how to read today. I'm gonna blame it on my eyes bothering me. Oh, this is a vegan broad spectrum plant palm free moisturizer and sunscreen with an SPF 30. No fragrance, none of your typical bad ingredients sticking out. Now, if you want to learn more about clean beauty and stuff, I highly suggest checking out the Clean Beauty Kit to get new products that are clean beauty, but also check out Clean Beauty Con. I'm actually going to be speaking there on Friday, which I'm super excited about. Ooh, it's glass too. I like that. I will definitely be using this a lot here. It is, rainy season is almost over and it's going to be hot and humid here soon. Say hi to hydration, hyaluronic acid, hydrating serum. So it's vegan, Leaping Bunny, recyclable, 12 months. Expiration date from Grace and Stella. Definitely gonna have to get that more research. Ooh. So this is a dual purpose face brush. It's got a cute little stand so it sits on the counter. This side is for massaging serums into your face, and this side is for cleansing. It's got like different stiffness of bristles. I'm super excited to try that. And there's one last thing. Well, these are gonna look beautiful in your house. There's 3 different sizes. bowls in here. Oh, I can't wait to enjoy these downstairs in the kitchen. I've been loving my kitchen with all the COVID stuff going on. Speaking of kitchen stuff, my grandparents were sweet enough to send me 2 little presents for my house and my new journey living in Japan. These are beeswax covers. So instead of using saran wrap, they just go over the top of your bowl. They're washable and reusable. It does say avoid heat with them. So if you're taking stuff out in the, like, to go to a picnic or something, I might use these instead. But these will be really great in the kitchen. You can also use them to like wrap your sandwich in for lunch. And obviously I pack my lunch every day to go to work. So I'm super excited to check those out. And then she sent me this beautiful steel and bamboo tea mug. Now it's got a loose leaf tea strainer in the top. And it's got a lid on it so you can leave the tea leaves in there if you like a potent tea and have hot loose leaf tea on the go all the time. What a lot of people don't know is a lot of tea bags actually contain plastic in them. So when you heat them up with the boiling water, those plastics are getting released into your tea and you're drinking them. So this is a way better, safer option. And I'm in like tea country. I love the green tea here, the matcha, the ocha, the black teas, so super excited to try that. Oh, I'm so excited about all these products. So thank you to the Clean Beauty Con